Hello everyone, and hope you're all doing fine and things are getting better for all of you. It's time to introduce our next guest on Mobache Hire. We are glad to introduce the very humble, jovial and fun-loving none other than Mr. Joel Fonseca, an extremely talented and well-renowned photographer. In fact, he is known as India's pack shot man. His journey started as a spot boy and he's had no formal training at all. He gradually grew and became a production manager and finally to what he is today. He says, "In my job, nothing is written in textbooks. It's all about common sense. We have learnt on the job through trial and error." My job is all about common sense and it is not rocket science, says the humble and jovial sir, as he is fondly known, whose work and contribution to the ad world is iconic. He works round the clock, 365 days of the year, to ensure that his pack shot looks visually stunning and picture perfect. With years of experience in the field, he has collaborated with almost every product, ad filmmaker or the food stylist you can think of. He's been the man behind the scene for many world-class advertisements. In fact, his biggest competition after all these years is from his younger son. His biggest strength and support has been his wife Gemma, right from the time they met when they were in class 5 till today, assisting him in his trade and being a part of it. He's also proud of his two sons who have taken up after him and doing well for themselves. He's the winner of the MGP's Star of the Year award and you just cannot miss him with his very uncanny and trademark dressing style of a t-shirt, 3/4 and his precious hat to top it all off. Of course, above all, he is proud to be an East Indian. So tune in to hear his story on the 1st of November at 8 p.m. only on Me East Indian, the official YouTube channel of the East Indian community. Hello everyone and welcome to the next episode of Mobache Hire. Today our guest, let me introduce him. He's a humble, a jovial and a fantastic man from the moment I've met him. He is supposed to be India's #1 pack shot man, that's what they call him. And he is also a superb and thoroughbred East Indian. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce Mr. Joel Fonseca.
Hello.
Joel, thank you very much for joining us on Mobache Hire.
No problem. You're most welcome.
Joel, as you know, this show is all about your journey. You are one of our chosen heroes, as we call him. आपल्यान hero बोलता ना.
Yeah.
And we want to highlight this journey of yours. So when did it all start? And तुझे from your childhood, till
So
how you got
I'll tell you. Number one, basically I'm from Sahar village.
Achha.
I was born and brought up in Sahar village. Then actually my father was from Manori, but we started from Sahar village. Then I studied in Our Lady of Fanta School. Okay, and then afterwards I got married in early age.
Okay.
Okay, very early age, and then I was jobless.
So Joel, so we heard a little about your journey. Now let me ask you about how important your family, what role have they played? Your wife, I believe, yours was a childhood romance. Huh?
Yeah.
When you met her, you all were in the 5th standard.
We won the 5th standard.
I don't know. Nowadays they start in the 1st standard only.
No, I was
They
in
have
5th
advanced
standard.
a lot.
Yeah.
But yes, I'm sure she must have been really dear for you to not to hold her on from the 5th standard. So what has her role been in your life? What are your sons like? What is their part in making you the way you are, like kind of this?
See, number one, my wife was very cooperative, very helpful, and she was not in our field.
Okay.
So there was lots of commotion saying that like he's working in a film industry, and film industry, number one, the name is very bad.
Okay.
Because they think every girl can be laid.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
so she was so
notion,
scared, because and we were staying in slum area, so the people are thinking like a film industry wala hai,
They take for granted.
But she knew exactly what's happening and all.
Correct.
So she was cooperating me, and my working hours were very odd.
Yeah.
I would go
Absolutely.
5 o'clock.
These are absolutely working.
Yeah. So I would go 5 o'clock in the morning. Who knows? Next day 5 o'clock I would.
Okay.
Okay, so it was like, and then also she would give boost, and we were not so well-to-do, nothing. So we were trying to help each other. So she was very helpful for me, very helpful, and like my mother and father also were there.
Okay.
So they also were very cooperative.
Okay.
My mother and father, they were cooperative, and then they were looking after my 2 sons and all.
Okay.
So she also was going for work.
Okay.
She was also working.
Okay.
She was a telephone operator.
Okay.
And I was working as a...
And this was somewhere in which year were you talking?
This 83, 84.
Okay.
83,
That's a long time back.
It is a long time back. And she also she was working as a telephone operator in Texans, and she would get a salary of 500 rupees.
Oh.
That time. Okay.
500 rupees was that time.
Big thing. Yeah. And I was working, I would get 25 rupees per day.
Okay.
Per day for 25 rupees. My salary was about 650 rupees.
Okay.
But whenever we shoot, then per day we would get 25 rupees.
Okay.
Then it increase. It's like that.
And what about your sons?
No, my son. My sons. The elder son, he wanted to become a DOP.
Okay.
Director of photography. You call it cameraman.
Okay.
So he also as soon as he finished his graduation, then he went to FTI, Pune.
Okay.
Then he graduated as a DOP, and he's come and he's doing very well.
Okay.
He has shot Secret Games, he has shot many Hindi feature films also. My younger son, he has stepped into my shoes.
Okay.
And then he's also doing very well.
Okay.
And he's a competition to me now.
Okay, he's kind of taken over the legacy. But he's become a competition. Okay.
Because
that's good.
No, that's good. Yeah. But what's happened, I have my own clients, he has his own clients. Yeah. Okay. Then his clients are all youngsters.
Okay.
Okay, the youngsters, and me all old, Junna Puna.
But you have, it's a bigger challenge for you because you can't let him.
No. But so happy. But in bargain, in the middle of, we on the dining table, we make it a point to discuss things, exchange notes.
Okay.
There are many times I have a script and I don't know how to execute.
Okay.
So I will go and tell, Arey Baba, how can I execute this thing? Okay. Then he'll, Dad, this is 2 shots combined together.
Okay.
So you take this shot this way, another shot this way, and compose it.
Okay.
Because we have big machines which we can do lots of compositing.
Okay.
So splashes, you take different kind of splashes and compose it, and you make a beautiful splash out of it. Then sometimes what happens, he's stuck.
Okay.
He tells, Dad, this shot I want to do this way, how can I do? Okay. Then I will explain to Sakar, all this thing, I'll show the trade of tricks for him.
Okay.
So this is how so he's doing well, I'm doing well.
Okay. Nice. Okay, so Joel, being an East Indian, now I think we have come a long way
Yes.
from what we were and
Correct.
what we are.
Correct.
Though there have been a lot of changes, okay, there have been immense changes within us. So, what do you think about our community per se? What is the future of our community? What is your opinion about our community as of now?
No,
per se?
I can tell you
from
our
yeah.
future is going to be very, very bright.
Okay.
I can see this generation. There are now people have started opening their own organizations.
Okay.
I know
As
many
an
of our-
entrepreneurs, as entrepreneurs.
Yes, many people like small, chota, but they are making an attempt.
Yeah.
Earlier, what would happen? My time, PK पड़े रहते थे. I'm telling you.
आप लोग
But
ट्यून से एकदम
yeah. Take,
type.
now I'll give a small example about my sons.
हाँ.
Okay, now we would sit to drink, we would finish full bottle.
हाँ.
उन लोग का 30-60 ml होता है.
अच्छा.
Okay, so they are into focusing onto work, focusing onto getting bigger and bigger.
Yes.
So I think so it's very bright and all you see everybody. Some are gone abroad. You know, you ask anybody to the पूरा कहमा US money ये करते हैं. You know, you ask Canada money है. You know, big places they are moving around. You know, so I think so the future of our community is getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah. During this, especially during this pandemic, now what has happened is that everything went online. So काय करायचं? So they have started their own businesses.
Yes, that's what I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Many people, some people are cooking food, some people are doing, selling furniture, some curtains and this, but it's small thing, but it's growing very big.
Absolutely.
It's a very nice sign.
So the future of our East Indians is good.
It's very
That's
good, and
what
it has to be good.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I'm sure because these changes now with the new change, with the new generation coming in, there are a lot of ideas.
Yes.
So good to know that.
Yeah, I'll be very happy about it.
Absolutely. Okay, so there was a comment on after one of my interviews, and they had left it on YouTube that the host and we should be talking in Marathi since it's an East Indian show. So I just wanted to tell the audiences that यो आपला शो आहे पण आपली बघणारी माणसं ती फैललेली आहेत. They are across the world and they may be East Indians but unfortunately they don't follow the Marathi. They are English speaking. So for their comfort, we have started this show and we are talking in English. But all the same, if my guest Joel wants to talk in East Indian Marathi,
ऐसा काही नाही.
तेच म्हणायचं सांगायचं होतं का आपला शो जो आहे ना तो सगळ्यांना जाते. माणसं आता इंग्लिश तर समजताना पण दे फेल्ट दॅट दॅट मराठी पण बोललं पाहिजे. पण आता मराठीचं जी आवरी प्रोग्राम आहात सो दिस इज गोइंग अक्रॉस टू लॉट ऑफ पीपल अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड ज्यांना आपली मायबोली येई नाही.
त्यांना मी समजावलं पाहिजे आम्ही काय बोलतो होते. आता माझे पापा होते ते मापो ईस्ट इंडियनचे वार्ता करतात. माझी माय होती ती इंग्लिश पण बोलतात. ते आमचे खूप असं एकदम हे होतं.
अच्छा.
पण केव्हा बी मी मनोऱ्या जातो त्याला ईस्ट इंडियन सगळ्यांची
इट्स गुड टू नो द लँग्वेज. I'm saying is that but yeah, so what do you think about MGP. Now Mumbai Government and Panchayat, I have been recently associated with it, but I have seen over the years, I have been at their programs, at whatever, they have a East Indian Bazaar, they have a get together, everything. I have been to that and I have been part of it, but never actively. But now since I am into it and I am enjoying being part of it and whatever shows that they do, conducting. What is your opinion about?
No, I think this MGP, it is a very big help for our community.
Okay.
Because MGP started, we had in Manori, there were functions, and then they organized lots and lots of things.
Yeah.
And I'm very happy to get associated with them.
Yeah.
So there are all these committee members, they are putting 100% into it, and they're trying to get all the our people together. It's a big thing, and it takes a lots of effort, and which they are doing it very well.
And I don't know how people look at it, but I wish people would look at it positively.
No, actually, see the problem what's happening now. Chimborik Chizat, you told just now, it's the same thing. Now these people are putting the 100 soul into it to get together, but there are some people opposing it, which I don't think so. It's necessary.
I think we should try and work towards the
betterment of this. Everybody is there. So it's not on. But I think so. MGP is doing a very very good job.
Yeah. And especially now, it's not only that they have done. And see, singing competitions are okay, but they have done a lot of things besides.
Yes.
That's what I am. This is my personal opinion. I usually don't give my personal opinion, but I think.
No, they have done a big thing. I'm associated with them from the right beginning. So whenever they are having functions and all, I go quietly and sit over there and see what happens. I don't take active part in it, but I'm very very associated with them.
Okay, good. I'm glad you think so highly about the.
No. Actually, they're taking. Why not give them credit when they're doing good things?
Absolutely.
Okay, and I have not heard anything negative about them. Okay, like पैसे का हेरा फेरी या कुछ ऐसा कुछ मैं कभी सुना नहीं किसी का.
I think that doesn't take you far away.
No, but these people have come very very far away.
Yeah, and that is built on trust.
On the trust, yeah, and I think so. These people are whoever the committee people are doing very well.
Okay. You're not the person who would want to kind of give advices or that kind of thing. But I want you to give a message out to at least to the young ones. आपली मोठी माणसं तो सोडा, पण at least the ones who are the new generation that is there. What is your thought as to what they should do? Kind of thing.
No, I think so. They should hard work, and one short line or what else. They should have big vision.
Okay.
Think big.
Okay.
And just go and work towards it.
Okay.
And that's it. You have to think big.
Okay.
I can do it. Okay. I will do it. It has to be done.
However small they start.
Yes.
They may have a very small start,
but they
need to have a
vision. There should be a vision.
Okay.
I have to go on the moon.
In whatever
it is. Yeah.
Okay.
Because hard work तो सब लोग करते हैं यार. वो जो खोदने वाला भी करता है. But you should have a vision. They have to do it.
Okay, so Joel, I don't know, but this is what I thought I should ask you. And I did a lot of research about you as to before I could come here and interview. They were all talking about your unique style of dressing. आता तुझं जे काय बोलतात ना आपला अवतार बोलतात, ओके आपल्या बोलतात ना. So you have a very typical style of dressing for the way you are dressed. Your 3/4, your t-shirt, and that also tucked in. And you're missing the hat now, so we'll make sure we click a picture with the hat. So the only time they told me that तू वरती गेलास स्टेज वरती अवॉर्ड घ्यायला तेव्हा तुम्ही लॉंग पॅन्ट घातली. अच्छा. So what is the thing?
No, I'll tell you. This is a nice thing.
Once I had
gone to Manori feast.
Okay.
आमचे भाईंदरचे काका होते. ते आपली खाकी आहे ना. ते खाकी शॉर्ट पॅन्ट आहे. त्यांना बघून मला इन्स्पिरेशन आलं. सो So why don't I wear khaki and the full singlet? They call it. Safed singlet. Okay. So from that time onwards, I stitched khaki.
Okay.
And I was wearing those some years back.
Achha.
Then afterwards, I had gone to Bandra Elco, and I seen the cloth. I thought, iska bhi banao, iska bhi banao. So I started wearing different kind. Then afterwards, what happened? I started feeling comfortable. Okay. And then when I would put long pants, I feel suffocating.
Okay.
So that's how it remained into me. So if I go even if I travel to London, I wear this.
Achha. So, I was just wanting to very curious. Did you get married in long pants or in short pants?
Long pants. No, that time I was wearing this bell bottom.
Achha, okay.
That was a bell bottom time. That was a bell bottom time. That time was bell bottom.
No, I'm sorry, but I just wanted to ask you because
I
style is very different.
No, see, what I also wanted to be a unique person.
Absolutely.
चार आदमी में चल के आएगा तो समझना मांगते ये jewel है. You know, and I was very nice because see, I have seen lots of East Indians and all, no? They were wearing that khaki kapda.
Surka wala.
No, surka were coolies.
No, but even I think some of the people they used to wear.
No, there's a Koli community.
Achha.
There's an East Indian Koli community where surkas. Surkas are langotis.
Okay.
Right? Okay. We are this khaki kapda. That was this who would wear? Farmers would wear.
Agri bolta na?
Agri. Agri would wear this, what do you call it, short pant and a white color ganjis.
Correct.
So that was this. So I liked it very much. So I'll adopt this only. Till today
I always wanted, the moment I saw your photos, I always wanted to ask him, ये मैं पहले पूछेगा उसको. So it was good.
It was nice. Yeah.
Joel, thank you very much for joining us on Mumbai Che Heere, and we wish you all the best. And your entire family, okay?
Yeah.
So next time when you see those advertisements, think of Joel Fonseca because he's the one who's behind it. His entire family may have been behind it. His sons who are now also into films and all, they've gone really big. And nobody has come close to him. So we pray that nobody else should come close to him. He's got great competition from his son. That's what he's saying. So so I guess he needs competition, okay, to keep himself a little more fit.
Fit and active.
So thank you very much, Joel, for joining us.
Most welcome.
We hope that we can come to you for more help when in future.
You're most welcome. Welcome.
We are contemplating on some these wherein we can have sessions and have the younger generation. If you can be like a guidance.
Guidance. There are many organizations where send their students over here.
Yeah.
I have classes also.
Okay.
Even I give classes for FTI.
Okay.
And like Sophia College also.
Okay. So let's see if any of our East Indians are interested. We're planning to have a mentorship program.
No, they can come and hang around, see what things are happening.
Okay.
It's nice.
Yeah. So we have got an open invitation. ज्या कोणाला आहे ना येवाचं आहे जोएलच्या स्टुडिओ मनी. His studio is in Marol in Andheri. So we will make sure we share the details in a slide after the interview. So please take down his details, and if you think that you need to learn something in terms of photography, in terms of filmography, Joel is our go-to man, and as we call him, India's backshot man. So thank you very much once again, Joel.
No,
it was a pleasure having you on Mumbai Che Heere. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.